There's a place so special that virtually everything is right in your own backyard. A place offering a variety of unbelievable recreational choices. Roof Tree, where water, land, and home seamlessly unite. The home itself offers unique individual choices. Light-filled modern rooms uniquely blend with the home's historic past. The gathering room overlooks the lake and presents the stunning work of renowned architect Alfredo Taylor. The chef's kitchen leads to a dining area with water views and is open to a sunny family room. The ensuite master bedroom is a world unto itself. There are 2 additional ensuite bedrooms, each offering complete privacy. The property offers abundant wildlife and quaint outbuildings. Trails and country roads provide 4 seasons of scenic beauty, recreation, and activities. Roof Tree offers total privacy, abundant choices, and direct waterfront with 0 entry. Roof Tree on pristine Doolittle Lake.